Copy trading on Bybit allows users to replicate the trading strategies of professional traders automatically. Here's a step-by-step guide to start copy trading on Bybit. Create and verify your Bybit account. Sign up for a Bybit account if you don't have one. Complete any required identity verification to access full platform features, including copy trading. Access the copy trading feature. Log into your Bybit account and navigate to the copy trading section, typically found in the main menu. Browse through a list of master traders, experienced traders whose strategies you can replicate. Choose a master trader. Analyze the performance statistics of master traders, including win rate, ROI, risk level, historical trading performance. Select a trader whose strategy aligns with your risk appetite and investment goals. Allocate funds. Click follow on your chosen master trader's profile. Set the amount of funds you wish to allocate for copying their trades. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your Bybit wallet. Monitor and adjust. Once trades are executed, they will automatically reflect in your account. Monitor performance regularly and adjust your allocation or stop copying if needed.